If you're not seeing filter search option in TikTok, how to fix. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix TikTok search icon, filter search icon not showing. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Hey guys, my name is Ramesh and you're watching my YouTube channel Ultimate Tech iOS. So guys, first of all what you have to do is just open your mobile Play Store or App Store. You can see here guys, tap on search and search the TikTok. If you have not updated the TikTok app, then first you have to update it, so simply click the update. So guys, TikTok update complete. After that you have come back and open your mobile settings and then scroll it down, click the app management, click the app list. This page is loading now, wait few seconds, and then after that you have to search the TikTok and select the TikTok app and click the force stop. Again click the force stop, click the storage, click the clear cache, not click the clear data, only on click the clear cache. After that you have to come back, click the permissions, check your permission allow or not. So guys, click the location and click the allow only while using the app. Click the come back, open your TikTok, your problem fixed. TikTok search filter option showing, problem fixed. So please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, all never miss an update. Thanks for watching, bye bye.